Namaste Nepal people. Hello to Tibetan people. This is Shapale guys. They call it acha guys. Because I came from India, everything like this, we call it chutney. So inside is buffalo meat cooked with onion. I have to dip it properly because I need it to be juicy. It's looking like samosa, but this is not samosa. It is so delicious, guys. The puff inside is well cooked, and what make it more tastier, like the way they cook this one, guys, made it more crunchy. It's not that dry, but it's just so nice eating it with it.